Hi guys, this is Kunj Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then subscribe now to learn a new design in AutoCAD. So I will teach you how to do the 2D drawing of this part in AutoCAD. So first of all, let's start with AutoCAD. Grade mode off, orthogon on, isodraft on. Then again UCS icon fixed, off. So first of all, I will choose line command. Its dimension is 450 mm. I will zoom it. Again line command choose. Its dimension is 50 mm. Again line command choose. Its dimension is 75 mm. Again 50 mm. Again connect the line. Again I will choose a line command. Its dimension is 150 mm. Now again 200 mm. Now again 150 mm. Now again 50 mm. Now downward side is 75 mm. Now again 50 mm. Then connect the line. So again line command choose. This dimension is 375 mm. Again upper side 175 mm. Again 200 mm. Again line command choose. Its dimension is 75 mm. Again 200 mm dimension. Again line command choose. Is extend the line. Then again line command choose. Extend the line and unwanted line is trim it. So trim command use. Again line command choose. Its dimension is 100 mm. Again line command choose. Its dimension is 250 mm. This line is deleted. Again this line or this line connected. Again this line or this line connected. Again line command choose. This line is extended line. Again line command choose. This line is also extended line. Trim command use. Unwanted line is trim it. So this line is trim it. Trim command use. Unwanted line is trim it. Again line command choose. This line or this line is connected. This line is deleted. Also this line is deleted. Now again line command choose. Downward direction line extended. This line extended. Again this line extended. Line command choose. Unwanted line is trim it. So trim command use. Deleted. This line also deleted. Again line command choose. Connected this line. But this line connected. Again line command choose. This line or this line will be connected. Again I will draw the center line. So center to center here. I will choose ellipse command. Axis and I enter. Click the center point. The diameter 75 mm. So this line is deleted. So our drawing is completed. Now this drawing is given the dimension. So I will give the dimension. Align dimension 450 mm. Again 50 mm, again 50 mm, again 200 mm, again 375 mm, again 175 mm, again 75 mm, again 250 mm, again 100 mm. So text type more, given the dimension, so all the dimension is selected. So I am going to the properties, arrow size 20 mm, enter, text type 20 mm, enter. I'll close the folder, accept the. So our drawing is completed. Now I will pan comma choose center the drawing. So our drawing is completed with given dimension. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you guys.